In this video we are going to check the symptoms and reasons for your dry eyes and best home remedies and quick tips to prevent it. Symptoms of dry eyes. Burning sensation in your eyes. Having stringy mucus around eyes. Eye redness. Difficulty for contact lenses. Difficulty in driving. Sensitivity to light. Watery eyes. Blurred vision. Some of the possible reasons for your dry eyes? Aging. Blinking less often. Wind, smoke or dry air. Medical conditions. Tear gland damage. Laser eye surgery. Eye infections. Decreased quality of life. Now let us check out the best home remedies for dry eyes. How to use chamomile tea bags. Take 2 chamomile tea bags, and steep it in a hot water bowl for around 4 to 5 minutes. Take out the tea bags. Keep one outside, while the other in the refrigerator. For a warm therapy, use the tea bag that you kept outside by placing it on the eyelids for a few minutes. For a cool therapy, use the refrigerated tea bag over your eyelids. Keep repeating this process as much as you want. Apply aloe vera cotton ball dip. Extract aloe vera from a fresh leaf. Take the aloe vera juice in a small bowl. Add cold water to it. Dip 2 cotton balls in the bowl and let it soak for a few minutes. Place those cotton balls over the eyelids for at least 5 minutes to get maximum effect. Repeat the process as much as you want. Do warm compress to relax your muscles present around the eyes and reduces the strain associated with it. Take a soft cloth and put it in a bowl filled with hot water. Squeeze out the excess water after taking the cloth out of the bowl. Place the soft cloth over the eyelids and rest it for a few minutes. Follow this regime couple times a day. How to prevent dry eyes. Let us check out some quick ideas. Avoid places with a lot of air movement. Limiting your exposure to fans and hair dryers is good for your eyes. Add moisture to the air. Using a humidifier can help the air stay moist. Take eye breaks during long tasks. Blink repeatedly for a few seconds to help spread your tears evenly. Go for protective eyewear while traveling. Keep your computer screens top below eye level. Avoid smoking and smoke. If you can control few of these, use eye drops and keep them well lubricated. And it is also suggested to take omega-3 fatty acid rich foods.